How do we wake up the rest of the world to this? The mainstream is stuck, but the growth of this awakening is exponential. When one person opens up, they can now open up others. And this isn't just a spiritual idea. It's a proven mechanism across multiple scientific disciplines. Let's look at physics. There's a phenomenon called entrainment. If you take a dozen metronomes, start them all at completely random, chaotic times, and set them on a movable surface like a suspended board, an amazing thing happens. Within minutes, the subtle energetic transfer between them causes every single metronome to synchronize. They will all tick in perfect unison. The most coherent, stable frequency naturally pulls the erratic ones into alignment. When you do the work to hold a high coherent frequency of consciousness, you are that stable metronome. You literally pull the people around you into that same resonance. In biology, it mirrors Rupert Sheldrake's theory of morphic resonance. This is the idea that nature has a collective memory. Once a species learns a new behavior, or in our case, once enough humans learn to access this expanded telepathic state, a blueprint is created in the morphic field, making it infinitely easier for every other human to access it. It's often referred to as the 100th monkey effect. And in sociology, we know exactly how this plays out. It's called the tipping point. Social scientists have proved that you don't need 51% of a population to change the world. It only takes a committed, coherent minority, usually estimated to be between 10 and 25%, to trigger a massive social shift. Once that critical mass is hit, the rest of the collective rapidly and naturally adopts the new paradigm. Growth is slow at first, but then it goes completely vertical. That is exactly why we're doing this, why we talk about these concepts, why we gather under the night sky, and why we practice these protocols together. We are acting as the tuning forks for the rest of humanity. We don't need to convince the whole world at once, and we don't need a piece of technology to do it for us. We just need enough of us to resonate loudly enough that the rest of the collective naturally entrain to that higher frequency.